to make a move on a girl. Do you have feelings for someone but lack the courage to make the first move? Are you the only one of your friends left at the bar while your friends seem to always get the ladies? If this is the case, you are not alone. I've compiled a list of 7 practical and foolproof tips for making the first move when you're the shy guy. 7. Simply say hello. Am I telling you just say hello? Yep. The reason is simple. Women prefer it when you are yourself. Shyness can be a refreshing trait in a man, as can appearing nervous. Women dislike men who puff themselves up like a peacock and boast about who they know and what they do. They don't want people who are genuine and kind. And if the shy version of yourself is your true self, then be him. 6. Make her laugh. If you struggle with being the shy guy, you're probably also the group's funny guy. Use your awkward humor as a superpower. Women adore funny men. According to a 2015 University of Kansas study, the more times a man attempts to be funny and the more a woman laughs at those attempts, the more likely the woman is to be interested in dating. Make her smile. Be ridiculous. 5. Ask her what she's having or reading. If you see a woman in a bar, cafe, or bookstore and want to meet her, simply inquire about her drink or food. Inquire about a book she's holding or reading. This is a simple way to entice her and discover shared interests and tastes without becoming too personal. Furthermore, people generally enjoy discussing food or hobbies, so she is likely to participate. Make a genuine compliment or agreement with one of her choices. If she gets cinnamon in her coffee and you like cinnamon, tell her you'll try it. A genuine conversation about shared interests or passions is a fantastic way to not only break the ice but also accelerate your connection. It's a fun way to start laying a foundation. 4. Ask her where something is. Approaching someone and asking a simple question that requires an immediate response is an excellent way to initiate contact. Inquiring as to do you know where the restroom is, do you happen to have the Wi-Fi password, is another excellent way to start a conversation. Why? They have to respond, which opens the door for you to return later. Let's face it, being attractive and in good shape can help you strike up a conversation with women. What you actually say to them, however, is far more important, because it makes no difference what you look like or how wealthy you are. 3. Request that a friend introduce you. Okay, this one can be tricky, but if you choose the right friend, asking a friend to introduce you to a woman can be a very simple and safe way to make the first move. Assume you're in a bar and notice a girl you like, or perhaps you're at work and there's someone you like to meet. Choose a friend or colleague to handle the awkward first greeting for you. But be warned, don't choose someone who is too charming or attractive, or you may end up with a permanent friend or worse, an unknown zone. If your friend is also interested in this person, your friend may be the one getting the laughs in action. 2. Make direct eye contact. This may seem obvious, but it is a simple gesture that can generate a lot of momentum. Intentional and direct eye contact can not only indicate that you are interested in someone, but it can also indicate that you are confident, even if you are faking it for the time being. Eye contact can also demonstrate your approachability. However, be mindful of the type of eye contact you make. Intense staring can give off killer vibes, so make sure to blink and not just zone into her. Don't linger as she makes eye contact with you and reciprocates. Look away for a moment, then return your gaze to her. Take note of her body language. She has noticed you as she does the same thing. 1. Enter her DM. It's actually gotten a lot easier for a guy to approach a girl in the digital age. Simply send her a text message. But be careful not to be creepy. In fact, do not send her an unsolicited photo of any kind. Send her a heartfelt introduction. Be courteous. You don't have much to lose because the interwebs shield your emotions and physical reaction. In the age of unsolicited eggplant emojis, a metaphor, it's unusual for a girl to receive a genuine greeting and introduction on social media. A simple and nice message will most likely impress her. We hope that after getting all of these tips on making your first move, you feel more confident about taking the next steps to get her. There you have it. As always, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to see more content like this.